Hello everyone, welcome to Spark Hoppers TV. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the food at Tubby's Seafood. Tubby's is located at 115 East River Street. Now, River Street has a lot of bars and eateries to choose from. This was one that my wife found on Google that has a 4 out of 5 stars with 1,259 reviews. So even after walking up and down River Street and seeing other restaurant menus, we ultimately came back here just because we trusted the reviews and the menu was something we were looking forward to. We were craving seafood. They had the crab dip, the shrimp platters, the crab cakes, and every restaurant in the strip pretty much offered the same thing, just different seasonings and different, ingredients in the actual meals. The prices range anywhere between like $8 to $15, $20. It is catering the seafood market, and there is market prices as well. You see, they do have salads, burgers, and sandwiches. So if you're not craving any of the seafood stuff and you don't even want like a seafood sandwich, they do have chicken and beef as an option. One of the things they did push a lot here was the baskets and platters, which we ended up going with our own platter, which we'll show you in just a little bit. But they did offer entrees for those that wanted a full meal. So let's get into the food we ordered. We got the crab dip that sounded so good. It comes with fresh blue crab meat smothered in a creamy cheese sauce, served with your choice of French bread or tortilla chips. We went with the half and half. We got half French bread, half tortilla chips, and let me tell you, the creamy, thick sauce was outstanding. So for the main dish, we ended up going with the shrimp basket platter. Look at this nice crispy golden shrimp with fries, hush puppies, coleslaw, and this southern style crab cake. We had to get the crab cake. It just sounded so delicious. It is time for the close-up shots. That's a piece of the crab cake right there, which I absolutely loved. We broke it up into little pieces so we could dip it in their special mayo type sauce, and the shrimp loaded with grease, so bad for you, but tasted so good. And here's the inside of the hush puppies, which wasn't the greatest hush puppy I've ever had, but it was pretty solid, I'm not gonna lie. We ultimately ended up spending like around $40 with taxes and tip. We gave $50 total to Tubby's Seafood. It wasn't bad at all, guys. A 4 out of 5 experience like Google said. Ultimately, the crab cake, the crab dip, just awesome. Stole the show for me. The crab dip was just so creamy and so delicious. And, who goes to a restaurant to order chips and dip, right? But this was just on another level. That fresh blue crab meat smothered in the creamy cheese sauce really knocked it out the park for me. The fried shrimp basket, it is what it is. Fried shrimp is fried shrimp. Wherever you get it, it's really hard for you to mess that up unless you use like old washed up grease. So between that, the crab cakes, the hush puppies, the fries, I would definitely recommend this place. I hope you guys enjoyed that food review, and I forgot to mention how good that French bread really was. It had the cheese melted on top and that little garlic butter feel with the herbs. It tied up the whole experience. The crab cake sauce that it came with, I mentioned it, but I didn't really talk heavy on it. I dipped everything into that sauce. Really loved it. If you guys enjoy food reviews, vlogs, out and about, just basically all my real life content will be on the channel, and we got plenty of shorts to offer as well. We're going to be uploading shorts, I think, just about every day. We're really excited. The channel's about to get to 100 subscribers. It's our first major milestone, and we're going to continue to pump content into this beast because we want to share our experience with you guys. So I'll see you real soon. Thank you for tuning in. Peace